How to turn on incognito mode on YouTube app. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first let's go to our YouTube app. Make sure that you are logged in. So from here, from the whole page, you want to click on your profile picture. So it's in the right corner from the top of the page. And then from here, as you can see, under manage your Google account, we have turn on incognito. So click on that. And now you are incognito, and all the videos that you will watch, they will not be saved in your history or it's your search bar, anything like that. So no one will know. And how to turn this off, you just have to click on the incognito icon, which is in the right top corner, and then click on turn off incognito. And now you will be signed on your account that you were signed before. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.